Hey everyone, okay, so slightly different video today because I'm still recovering from having shingles. It's Monday today, so it is effectively 8 days since the rash appeared. Now, thankfully, the rash on my chest and back has started to, it's just disgusting, scab over now. My arm, the one under my armpit though, because of the placement of it, is still really sore, and I'm having trouble sort of doing certain things, which is why there's no makeup kind of one today. So it's been a pain. When you combine the shingles with the cellulitis, it's pretty good that I've kind of recovered as best I have in the space of a week. So I've finished all the antivirals now and the antibiotics. A lot of tablets. What a painful experience. So I thought we would do something different with this one, and this is where you share with me, which I thought would be fun. Let me just move that. And we'll talk about, you let me know who your favorite YouTube crushes are. Now, I always find this fascinating what people find attractive, whether it's their personality or their face or a combination of the two. I always find it fascinating because beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So I thought I would share with you some of my YouTube crushes and just a little bit of fun while I try and recover from these horrific blisters. So let's make a start. So the first one is, I think, what's the name of it? Moving Home with Charlie. So a totally random estate agent kind of thing, but the most beautiful face, I think. Absolutely beautiful face, wonderful voice as well, just all round delicious and handsome and perfect. The other one, this is such a fun one. So the other one, I'm just sharing my screen so I can see. I think it's called Shervin Shares. Now, really handsome face here, really handsome face. But if somebody could say to me, if I could say to anyone, I'd love that body, right? He has the body that I wish I had. That's how I wish I looked. I think he's got the most perfect body. That's how I wish I looked. I don't. It's sad and a big shame. And also an all-round really nice guy as well. Comes across really nice on screen. So easy on the eye, easy watchable. Next one is Dr. Ken Berry. Now he does a lot of videos on diet and health and low carb and all that kind of stuff. But the most beautiful voice, really good voice. I don't know anything about the gentleman other than the fact that his voice is really nice, just a really good voice. You know, when you've got that really deep, it's just a great voice, a great face too, but great voice. I'm going to pick two women as well. So the first one is obvious, which is Dr. Sam Bunting. Now, I have met Dr. Sam in real life. I've had lunch with her and drinks with her. She's so beautiful in real life, so beautiful, very tall as well, just stunning, really stunning. And the next one is Melissa55. Now, I've been a slow stalker of her channel for a very long time. Now, she has a beautiful voice as well, but the most pretty face. She is so pretty, so deeply pretty. And I love watching her channel because she comes across as so kind and genuine and warm and just an absolute treasure. So there you go. That's my favorite YouTube crushes. Your turn now. In the comment section below, write down who your favorite YouTube crushes are because I want to hear them. Let me know, and I'll be back hopefully at the end of the week with a proper video. Thank you. Bye-bye.